Right. So similarly, f is minimum at x equal to c. This is how the procedure is. For all questions, yes, all questions, including question number 4. Let us see now. Do you have any doubt in the third question, please? Any question, please, you wanted? Third question, any doubts here? Please answer, please. Yes. Shall I move on to fourth one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but prove that the following functions do not have maxima or minima. It's very interesting. Do not have max or min. Right. Okay, wonderful question, please. So you look at this first one. First question is f of x equal to e power x, which implies f dash x equal to e power x. E power x can never be 0, because unless you equate f dash x to 0, then only you can find the values of x, right? Yes or no, please? Then only you can find the values of x. So e power x cannot be 0, dears. I told you earlier, e power x is always greater than 0. Please understand this. E power x is, we know that, please write down this, we know that e power x is always something like x square is greater than or equal to 0. Mod x is always greater. These are all, we know that. Okay, you can tell the statement, yes. And also, write down 1 by x is also can never be equal to 0, please. Note down this point. 1 by x can never be 0, except 0. It could be positive or negative, but it can never be 0. Suppose you have f dash x equals to, I'm just talking about which cannot be 0, greater than or equal to 0, fine. This is fine. This is greater than 0, not equal to 0. This one 1 by x is not equal to 0. These are all zeros, fine, okay. But these are the functions formula. E power x cannot be 0, hence no maxima or minimum. No maximum or minimum, yes. This is a pakka test. My f dash x is not equal to 0. No need of doing f double dash x also. Why f double dash x also? E power x only, right? First of all, when this condition is not met, there is no need to go for f double dash x. Yes. Number 2, first part is done. Second part, log x part. Second part, g of x equal to log x. What is g dash x? Yes, 1 by x. 1 by x can never be 0. Just now I told you. Therefore, it doesn't have maxima, minima. Third case, suppose I find f dash x, I equate it to 0, If I don't get real roots, real roots of x, real roots for x. See, suppose you got f dash x equal to x square plus x plus 1, and equate it to 0 and find x value. So -1 plus or minus root of b square minus 4, This 1 minus 4 is not real, dear. So whenever, if you don't get real roots for x, still third one is that one. Third one is f dash x equal to 0, but x does not belongs to real roots. X does not belongs to a real number. Therefore, so these are the 3 cases. One is f dash x is e power x cannot be 0. G dash x equal to 1 by x cannot be 0. H dash whatever f dash x is 0, but x is not real. Please write down. One is this, second is this, and third is x. X is not real. Therefore, only for real we are working. There's no something like unreal we were doing it. Okay, everything is real number system. Based on real number system we were doing this. So if f dash x is e power x do not have maximum minimum. If g dash x equal to 1 by x cannot be 0, hence no minimum, no maximum. X does not belongs to R. You find you equate it because f dash it can be 0, but x cannot have real values. Hence no maxima, no minima here. This is about the question number 4. Very important one. Yes. Did you understand? Did you get it now, please? Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Chale, Rabbit ma, Siddharth, are you there, ma? Are you there listening, pa, please?
Yes, sir.
Garam clear, pa? Bhavishna?
Clear, sir.
Oh, good, pa, good. Right. Fourth one is done now. Fourth one. So move on to fifth one, dears. It's very interesting one. Please, absolute maxima and absolute minima. Yesterday I was talking about it. Absolute maximum means what? Supreme, right? Supreme maximum. Absolute minimum means what? Supreme minimum. Absolute minimum means lowest. Absolute maximum is what? Highest. Okay. So friends, here, what is the procedure to find absolute maximum and absolute minimum? Yes. Question number 5. Procedure is procedure to find absolute max and absolute minimum. Absolute max and absolute min. Yes. So how do we find out this? What is the procedure for it? Number 1, let us take the question and then I'll give you the procedure. Here. Procedure, I'll write it here. Let us take the question here. F of x equal to x cube. Friends, and the interval is also given. That is very interesting here. F of x equal to x cube and x belongs to minus 2, comma 2. It's an inclusive interval. Yes. Friends, what is the procedure for this? First thing, you don't worry about absolute or local or non-local under the thing. Just don't worry. But you just do f dash x, please. F dash x equal to 3x square. 3x square equated to 0 and x square equal to 0, which implies x equal to 0, dears. You check whether the 0 belongs to this interval or not. Yes or no? Does 0 belongs to interval? Ma? Yes. 0 belongs to minus 2, comma 2, dears. Do you agree, pa, please? All of you kindly approve it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, wonderful. Pa. Next is, what is the procedure now? You find out f double dash x also just as a formality. Okay? The formality, not only formality, of course, because you should know maximum and minimum. When it is a maximum, when it is minimum. Friends, here f double dash x is 3x square, differentiate panna, you get a 6x, right? 6x. Friends, 0 is the critical point, my dears. Okay, 0 is the critical point. And what is absolute maximum and absolute minimum? Take x equal to 0, x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 2. For all these 3 values, you find out the f of x. Please find out f of x. And also, suppose if I find out f of x for 0, what do I get? My f of x equal to x cube. At x equal to 0, x equal to minus 2, x equal to 2. This is f of x. F of x is x cube. So x cube is 0 and this one is minus 8 and this is plus 8, my dears. This is a function value. So you tell me this is called absolute maximum and this is called absolute minimum. Yes or no? And sir, what is the role of f double dash x? Yes. Please, f double dash x at, there's no need actually, at 2. You get a 12, right? So 12 is positive, right? 12 is positive. I don't think absolute maxima and minima, you require f double dash x. F double dash x you need to only check for maxima or minima because we are finding both. The function is like this. See, let me check it. Let me tell you this. The function is like this for this. Now this is called 2 and this is called minus 2. Yes. So this is called minus 8 and this is called plus 8. That's the important please. Over absolute maxima and absolute minima. Please follow this part. Find out critical value. Critical value one end lo maximum varum innoru end lo because the graph is stopping here. The graph is stopping here. It's not going endlessly. That's why this interval is playing the role, dears. I hope it's clear for. Is it clear or not? Tell me, dears.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
There is no need to find f double dash x, my dears. Why? Because we are both finding absolute maxima and absolute minima, dears. Both are there. There is no fun in finding f double dash x. Note down, ma. Note down, please. So procedure is simple, ma. Let me tell you the procedure. If you wish to learn the procedure, absolutely. Number 1, find f dash x, equate it to 0, find the values of x equal to c, x equal to c, and then interval, ma. Interval is what? -2 and 2, like this, ma. These are the values at which you find f of x, ma. You find f of x. F of x values are this. Now you choose the minimum and maximum. Maximum is 8 and minimum is -8. We are talking about the function at x equal to 0, x equal to -2, and x equal to 2. What are these two things, ma? These two things are the extremes of the interval, yes. And 0 belongs to -2, 2. So 0 that's a critical. Means what? One side pona maximum, another side pona minimum part. That's what is the critical point we call it, yes. Clear, pass. See, the procedure is once again I'll tell you. Find f dash x, equate f dash x to 0 to find the x values. Say x equal to c. Now c you take and this interval is -2 and 2, at which find the values of f of x. From these values you could decide max and min. Okay. Yes or no, dear? Shall I move further? 5th question is over, right? So I'll go for 6th question now. ரொம்ப simple question, dear. Okay, very, very nice question. Absolute maxima and absolute minima. That 5th one, note paniko, absolute maxima, absolute minima. No need of f double dash x. Note paniko. No need of f double dash x. Right. Question number 6, Parma, please. Find the maximum profit that company. Profit function is given p of x is 41 minus 72x and minus 18x square. P dash x you find out for minus 72 minus 36x per. Equate minus 36 minus 72 equal to 0. Minus 36 is 72 and x equal to -2. And please, this is where I think we need to see at x equal to -2 ds, you put in the function and what will be the profit you find out for this. Okay, find the maximum profit that the company can make. The profit function is given by p of x equal to 41 minus 72x. Yes. We want to find out a maximum profit. Check பண்றதுக்காக இப்போ maximum profit எப்படி தெரியும் சார்னா P double dash X is what ma? Minus 36, right? இதுக்கு differentiate பண்ணுங்க, you get a minus 30 less than 0, hence it will have a maximum, function will have a maximum at minus 2 ma. Function will have maximum at x equal to minus 2. What is that maximum value of P of x? P of minus 2 ma. $113 DS, okay? You get 113, but that is the profit, maximum profit you make DS. Okay, clear? Question number 6 is done for. Same way, 7th one also, find the both maximum value and minimum value of the function DS. Let us see. Eighth one, 7th one, find both maximum minimum f of x equals to 3x power 4 minus 8x cube plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25 and interval is 0,3. Find both the maximum value and minimum value of the function ds. So you want to find out absolute maximum and absolute minimum power. Once again, absolute maximum and absolute minimum ds. So f dash x equals to 12x square minus 24x square plus 12x 24x minus 48. So 12x square, this is 12x cube, sorry. 12x cube minus 24x square plus 24x minus 48 equal to 0. Divide with 12. X cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. One is very interesting, very interesting. Put to take 1 minus 2, 2 minus 4. This is called what method, ma? Synthetic division, ma, please. Cubic equation, right? Cubic equation, solve it by a synthetic division, ma. If you add all your coefficients, if it is equal to 0, then we say 1 is the 0 of a polynomial or equation, ma. Because 1 plus 2, 3, no, it's not 0. Even minus 1 if you put also, it is not 0 DS. Minus 1 put out, this become minus, this is minus, this is minus. No, never 0. So minus 1 plus 1 are ruled out part. Let us take 2 part, 2. 2 put 8 minus 8. This become 4. Wonderful dear. So put 2 might be. First you start with 0, right? 2 zeros are 0. Start like that. Add these to 1. 2 ones are 2. Add these to 0. 2 zeros are 0. You multiply this and this, you get 2. Add these two, you get 0. 2 into 0 is 0. And 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. This was x cube earlier. Now it become reduced. It is called x square. And this is called 0x plus 2 ma. So x square plus 2 equal to 0 is one factor and 2 is a factor. So friends here, for my part, 2 is a factor ma. X equal to 2, 0 ma. That means what? X minus 2 is a factor. I want to factorize it, yes. I want to factorize it. So other factor is what, yes? X square plus 2 ma. X square plus 2 equal to 0. Friends, I don't know whether you are able to follow me. Definitely you are not following me. F dash x equals to 12 into x minus 2 is one factor. And this is called x square plus 2, another factor. This is equivalent to x square plus 0x plus 2 ds. 0x and 0 bar. So if you take, if you equate this to 0, x minus 2 is 0 and x square plus 2 cannot be 0. Yes or no? Because x square is a non-negative and 2 is positive. Therefore, x square plus 2 never 0 or unreal you get it. So x equal to 2 is the only value you get that belongs to your interval form. Friends, x equal to 2 belongs to this one now. Find out at x equal to 2, at x equal to 0, at x equal to 3, f of x you find out now, please. So f of x at 0, what is the value for 25? At 2, 16, 16 3s are 48, 8 8s are 64, at x equal to 2. Because x equal to 2 is the 0 of a polynomial, root of a equation one. Please. 48, 64, 48, minus 48, plus 25. Minus 48 na minus 96. And this 48, 96 cancel. Minus 64 plus 25. What do we get now? This one minus 14 minus 5 is 9. And this is called 5 minus 2 is 3 ds. So minus 39 is this value. This is 25. This is minus 39. Put 3 bar. You got a huge number, I think. 81 3s are 243. 27 into 8, horrible number. That you do it, but that you do it and find out the value of this for that. This is a question number 7. You get 16 mark, please. You get a 16 ds. So you get a 16 mark. This value is 16 you get. This is minus 39. This is 25. This is 16. So 25 is the maximum ds and minus 39 is the minimum power. Okay. Paranga, please. Minus 39 is at x equal to 2 and at x equal to 0. Yeah, maximum is 25, minimum is minus 39. This 16 doesn't come from anything, okay? Neither maximum nor minimum. So you all understand, please? This is minimum at x equal to minimum. At x equal to 0, it is maximum. Absolute maximum and absolute minimum. That is question number 7. Yeah, next questions are very, very interesting. Please. Right, question number 8. At what points in the interval? At what points in the interval? At what points in the interval 0, 2 pi does the function sine 2x, does the function f of x is sine 2x attains its maximum value? Attains its max. Friends, at what points in the way sine 2x under the function my f of x equal to sine 2x, and which implies f dash x equal to 2 cos 2x mark is trigonometric equations 11th standards mark. So equate 2 cos 2x equal to 0 ds, which implies cos 2x equal to 0. So we told it alpha is pi by 2, correct? And general solution is 2x equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2. Yes or no? For cos, our the variable is 2x minor, okay? Generally, general solution is this one, okay? Now, within the 0, this, what is this interval? Ma? This x belongs to this, ma, please. Not 2x belongs to this. There say the note panikonde. Very important other issue. X belongs to 0. Whatever interval is given, our variable is x. Now, 2x is there, ds. What you do, ds, put n equal to 0, n equal to 0, n equal to 1, and n equal to 2. 2, what are the? Put n 2x equals 2. Put 0 might become pi by 2, minus pi by 2. What are the kind of interval is 0 to 2 pi ma. Next, put n equal to 1. You get 2 pi minus pi by 2 pa. Next is you get 2 pi plus pi by 2 pa. Next, 4 pi, put n equal to 2. 4 pi minus pi by 2. Another one is 4 pi plus pi by 2. Put x ma now. Divide with 2 ds. You get pi by 4. You get, this is called 3 pi by 2 ma. 2x equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, and 5 pi by 2, and 7 pi by 2 ma. And next, if you want, this become 9 pi by 2, which is not required. Why? Because we will see that. X equals to pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. Yes or no? And this is called 9 pi by 4 is more than 2 pi ds. So these are the 4 values you get, ma. They substitute in the function sin 2x. Take x values. Okay? X is pi by 4, na 2x is pi by 2. This is in the values for ma. Sin 2x. Sin 2x is the function, whereas 2x is, these are the values, ma. Pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, and 7 pi by 2 ds. I am taking 2x directly, ma, please. At pi by 2 it is 1, at 3 pi by 2 minus 1, and 5 pi by 2 is what, ds? This is called 5 pi by 2, please. Is it a 1 mark, please? Okay, this is also 2 pi plus pi by 2, right? 5 pi by 2 is 2 pi plus pi by 2. So that's pi by 2 is 1, and this is minus 1 part. So absolute maximum, the maximum value is 1 ds. Maximum value is 1. Okay. At what points the interval does the function attains maximum? Means at pi by 2 and 5 pi by 2 ds. At pi by 2 and 5 pi by 2, the function attains its maximum ds. Note panikoma, please kindly note it. I am rushing. I'm rushing today. Right. I hope it is clear, ma. Please lower. No, nobody is showing interest. I know that. I am rushing. and you people are not liking it. But if I go very slow, that also you don't like. You don't like it. That's the problem. Friends, eighth one is done, ma. Then what is the maximum value of function sin x plus cos x, ma? F of x equals to sin x plus cos x. What is the maximum value of this function taken? Okay. They didn't give any interval or anything, ma. Please, what is the maximum value of the function sin x plus cos x? Friends, here you find f dash x, ma. Here the sin x or derivative is cos x or derivative is minus sin x. We equate it to 0. Cos x equal to sin x. You write divide with this cos x, you get tan x is 1 and x equal to pi by 4. X equal to, it's not only pi by 4, okay, you get several values of this. Okay. So, he didn't give any interval, but Anna, please, you write for tan x equal to 1, x equal to n pi plus pi by 4, ma. Yes or no? N pi plus pi by 4. Yes or no? General solution, ma. Tan x equal to 1 means alpha is pi by 4 and general solution is n pi plus pi by 4. Yes or no? I think Arpit would be knowing it. And Dharanya, Bhavishna and Siddhartha. Do you remember last year trigonometric equations?
Yes, sir.
Sin x equal to sin alpha, na, x equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power in alpha. This is number 1, where n belongs to z. Cos x equal to cos alpha, na, x equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. This is number 2. If tan x equal to tan alpha, x equals to n pi plus alpha ds. N belongs to z. These are the 3 general solutions of trigonometric equations, 11th standard, yes. Okay. Now, friends, put n equal to 0, n equal to 1, and all these things. You get x equal to pi by 4. You get pi plus pi by 4. You get you get a pi plus pi by 4. You get 2 pi plus pi by 4. This is the first quadrant. This is third quadrant, and this is first quadrant. So you get x equal to pi by 4. First quadrant, sin x and cos x both are positive ds. Yes or no? Third quadrant, both are negative. So there is no question of maximum. Yes or no? Again, first quadrant, same value, 2 pi plus pi by 4. You get the same values here. So this and this are same. Therefore, friends, here, I hope you are able to follow me. Pi by 4 is the first quadrant. Both sin and cos are positive. 2n plus pi by 4 in the first quadrant. Therefore, it's a positive mark. Because it is the allied angle of pi by 4, this and this are equal ds. And this is a third quadrant negative mark. Sin is negative, cos is negative. Therefore, you have minimum value ds. Yes or no? Therefore, to have a maximum value, put x equal to pi by 4 only. Put x equal to pi by 4. So f of pi by 4 equals to sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 is equal to what, ma? 1 by root 2. This is also 1 by root 2. This is called 2 by root 2. That is called root 2. This is the maximum value, yes. Of course, this one also you get a minus root 2, ma. F of minus pi by 4 is what, ma? Minus root 2 you get, ma. This, of course, you get root 2 only. Enough, because only 2 values you get. One is the root 2, other one is minus root 2. So it's easy for us to judge which is maximum here. So maximum is root 2 at x equal to pi by 4 ds. At what? Which question I am doing it for? Am I doing yeah, correct only. What is the maximum value? 9th one, my 9th one. Is it clear now? Over?
Yes, sir.
Dharanya, clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Thank you. Question number 10, yes. 10th one. Find the maximum value of this function. Interval is 1, 3. Find the maximum value. Okay, it's a very interesting one. There are two intervals in which you have to find out maximum value in the interval now. Both intervals, you have to find out the maximum value. One, f of x is 2x square minus 24x. Is it 2x square only? Yeah. 2x square or 2x cube, ma? 2x cube. Okay, correct. Minus 24x plus 107. The interval is 0 to, interval is 1, 3 inclusive interval. And one more interval is minus 3, minus 1. In the ரெண்டு interval வந்து at what point it will attain the maximum value here and here now. You have to find out maximum values of functions in both the intervals. Now take this function, find f dash x, 6x square minus 24. Equate it to 0. 6x square is 24. X square equal to 4, which implies x equal to plus or minus 2. So 2 belongs to 1, 3. And minus 2 belongs to minus 3, minus 1. Therefore, x equal to 2, x equal to 1, and x equal to 3. And find f of x or value, please. X equal to 2, 1, 3, please. The f of x or values you find out here, list out here. 8, 16 minus 48 plus 107. Yes, okay. Somebody can tell me that 2 minus 24 plus 107. Yes. 3. 27 2s are 54 minus 72 plus 107 more. You get a maximum. Where do you get maximum? Yes. This one is, I think, no. This is the maximum, I think, right? This is the maximum. Minus 22 bar. 109 minus 24. One not 9 minus 24. That is 70. 85, I think. So this is 85, yes. And this is definitely not mark. This is definitely, yeah, 107. And this become minus 1, okay? Therefore, this is not mark. This is the maximum, yes. Similarly, go for minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 5 x values. And f of x, you put it over here, put minus 1 here, you get a minus 2, you get a plus 24, you get a plus 107. You get 22, 129 mark. First one. Second one, you put a minus 2, that is called 8, minus 16, plus 48, and plus 107. 32, 139 minus. Second one. Third one, minus 3 powder, minus 54. The useless one, I think. Plus 72, plus 107. 107 plus 18, that's called 125. So maximum is 139 and 85 years. Both the intervals we have done. That is the question number 10. That's my last question is there, 11th one. That if I do, I think we will be ending it. Please come on. I hope you have done it now. Please see, function is same in both the interval. This interval, what is the maximum value it gets, and this interval, what 2 f dash x and equate to x equals to 2 belongs this, minus 2 belongs this, and find out the values for each value of x, the value of the function. So you get 85 maximum there. You get another 2 maximum. So the maximum values for each interval is 85 occurs at 1 and 113 occurs at minus 2 years. Okay, clear?
Sir, it is maximum at f of 3, sir.
அப்படியேமா இன்னவா இதா first one is it?
Yes, sir.
First one, wait. 10th one, right? 10th one. 89 வருது இல்லையா?
Yes, sir.
ஓஹோ, ஓகே. இல்லம்மா, wait. 85. இல்லம்மா, அது x equal to வராதுல்லப்பா, அது எப்படி வரும்ப்பா? Hey, 27 2s are 54. 24 3s are 72, dear. Minus 72, 107, correct. 85 only maximum, please. 80, இவங்களும் அப்படி சொல்றாங்களே. ஓகே, ஆமா. 107ல 72 remove பண்ணணும், right? Correct.
Sir, it's 89, sir.
Oh, 89, correct. Yes. Okay. Please find out. Right, you are right here. You are right. So minus 18 pona, you get 89 only. Correct. Right, Dharanya. Thank you, dear. Right, focus. So last one, dear, 11th one. We can end up here. Very long exercise, very long. We are doing for quite long time. I'm tired. We can sick of this sums. 11th one. It is given that at equal to 1, the function is f of x, x power 4 minus 62x square plus ax plus 9 attains its maximum value. This at x equal to 2. F of x is maximum. He said, my dears, f of x is maximum. Please, come on, dears. That means what? You find out f dash x. What is f dash x, ma? 4x cube 124x plus a. Equate it to 0. You know that at x equal to 2 only. That means put x equal to, you get the a value here. 4 into 8 minus 124 into 2 plus a is 0. 32 minus 248 I will. Correct? 8 4s are 32. X equal to, dears. Put x equal to find a, ma. That's it. This is 124x. X equal to, that's 248. Yeah, plus a equal to 0, ma. So a equal to 248, that is 216, ma. Yes or no? That's all, yes. He has already told that. F double dash x, if you find out, definitely you get 12x square minus 124. Put x equal to 2 here, you get 448 minus 124 less than negative, hence it has got maximum. Correct. What he said is correct. Please, are you clear? That's all, my dears, and we'll see you tomorrow with a new chapter that is called integration. Okay? Okay, dears? We have completed almost every question, okay? Right? Today we are a little hurry. I have a class now again at 6:30 for 11th standard. So we'll wind up here, ma. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you tomorrow at same time, like 5 or 5:30. Yes, I'll tell you, dears. Okay. 5:30 is comfortable to you or what? எனக்கு ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லைம்மா. 5 o'clock also I can do it. Okay. Right, pa. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow at 5 o'clock.